Hello YouTube! Come join us while we set up a 50-piece Department 56 Christmas village.
Wow, look. It's a castle, honey, see?
Castle.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a castle. Get down, honey. Good job. Good job.
There's so many pieces to this Christmas village, we can't just put it all on the table in one row. We actually have to build up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the empty boxes from the village and stack it against the wall so that we can have multiple layers. So that we have enough room to fit the entire Christmas village.
So there's different elevations, so it's not all flat. It gives it dimension, it looks really cool. And then what do you do after that? So you put the boxes down and then what?
We'll cover it in a white tablecloth to hide everything, lay down some fake snow, and start placing down our pieces. Time to lay down our pieces.
Check out the Village Animated Skating Pond. Pretty cool. This is one of my favorite pieces.
Irish pub. Celebrating with the beer. Look at the kid sliding down the mountain. That's really cool. This is a cool piece too. So here's the Christmas story house. Here's the leg lamp that his wife hates. He gets that box, that wood box, and says, "Fragile." Hilarious. And then here's what's his name. He'll shoot your eye out. And he'll shoot his eye out. Ebony Scrooge's house. Here's the ghost, Christmas ghost. Here's China Trader.